Hello guys. So last week you guys saw my review of the Dior Meet Sequin and it was gorgeous. It was beautiful. Oh my God, I was so happy that I got it. But I also told you in that video that I had picked up the Dior Jungle Quint. Green eyeshadow is my love language, so you know that this video was coming. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look and just some details on the quints and the formula, keep watching. Okay guys, so before we go into application, I just want to tell you a little bit about these quints. They retail for $62. I think there's like 11 or 12 of them if I'm not mistaken. Different color stories. I am really loving these quints for a couple reasons. One, like the formula is incredible. The hype is real. Nobody is like pulling your leg. It's a true story, okay? The formula is unmatched. Kinda, sorta. The formula is unbelievable. I also like these quints because it gives you like a color story that you can work with. I'm a very indecisive person, and so sometimes if I have like a 10 or a 20 or a 15 pan palette, I sometimes get overwhelmed, like I don't know what to do or which colors go together. Whereas here, they've kind of done all the work for you and they've put together colors expertly curated that will just work. And so I'm really happy about that. Now, green, if you are new here, is my love language. I love green eyeshadow, so I knew that if I did break down and pick these up, which I did, that this one was definitely gonna be a part of it because I just loved it from the get-go. There's a couple others that I am really thinking about, and I think I am gonna do it, but it's the denim, which is the blue quint, and then the plum tulle, which is the purple color story. Again, with only having the 5 shades, I feel like it makes it so easy for you to just put some looks together. I'll stop talking. I love the formula. I love the Dior quints. I'll probably get some more. Let's get into the application process and how I achieved this gorgeous look, and then we'll just wrap it up at the end with my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back. I put some lashes on. I did go into the waterline with my Wayne Goss Precious Opal. And I mean, what can I say? I absolutely love it. Look at these colors, you guys. They are just absolutely stunning. One thing that I was really surprised by is like, you know, like people at Dior, they just know, right? Like they know how to curate colors. But at the beginning, I felt like a little lost with this pinky shade here. It's kind of like a bronzy pinky shade, and I thought like, where am I gonna use that? I decided to go ahead and put it in the inner third, 1/3 of my eye, and I just think that the colors look so gorgeous together. I think that they are just stunning. I went into the lighter shade as you saw with the inner corner highlight, and then I used both of these on the lower lash line. But you know, I love it. I did try it with a nude lip because I was filming another video, and when I put the red lip on, I was like, man, like this screams holiday, you know what I mean? So I absolutely love it. I was watching my friend Susanna Torres's video on like the palette wardrobe tag, and she talked about the gold palette for Christmas, the Natasha Denona gold palette. And what stood out to me was the shimmery shades, but also the green. There was a lot of green in the palette, and I thought that I absolutely needed it. But now, doing this look with a red lip, it just instantly reminds me of Christmas, and I feel like I just don't need it anymore. I can achieve the look with this beautiful little quint, and I'm not like overwhelmed by a big palette, so I'm very excited about that. Like you heard in my first video, I can totally see what the hype is about, you guys. This formula is like none other. I made a decision. I'm definitely bringing you Plum Tulle and Denim. I've seen a lot of reviews for Jungle. I'm starting to see a lot for Mitza. I haven't seen Denim or Plum Tulle given as much attention, but I think that they're equally as beautiful, and so I'll definitely be bringing you those next week. If you could, please leave a comment down below letting me know if you want those reviews combined in one video or separate dedicated reviews for each one. I'm happy to do it either way. I just know that by this point, you've seen a lot of these Dior reviews, so I just want you to, I guess I just want guidance from you guys on what you'd like to see from my channel, but they're definitely coming because they are just beautiful. We all have different eye shapes, we all have different skin tones, so it looks different on everybody, and I think that that's a good thing. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much. We are inching closer to 1,000. I'm getting my little giveaway ready. Make sure and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit the notification bell, that's when you're notified of new videos. And Instagram, Twitter, very important. A lot of giveaway related content is on my Instagram and Twitter accounts, and I just like to connect with you guys one-on-one, and so definitely follow me there. If you have any questions on the quint, if there's any of the quints that you would like some reviews for, definitely let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!